kids love going to the library and looking at picture books, and I felt that that was really missing for math. And I really felt that from the very beginning, children should smile when they see something that has to do with math. So I created Page A Day Math to look like fun. When I created these books, I wanted them to be math books that a child and their parent could kind of curl up in bed with. As I was developing these the entire way, and also being a teacher, when you talk to a parent and their child, you constantly hear, oh, I wasn't a math person. So my goal in starting this right off the bat was, I want every child to believe that they can be great at math and to know that they are a math person. When a child is well educated and feels good about themselves, it affects their future, it affects their family's future, their community. I'm nervous, but I'm really excited, and I'm so happy to be here. I'm ready and show everybody what I've got.